your yields by growing it like this. I promise you, I do it every time. My yields are always off the charts, and you'll find that if you do this, you'll have the exact same kind of growing. And hope you guys are all having a fantastic weekend. And we've got 1 week left, guys, of me. I've gone live or dropped a video every single day for the entire month of February. I hope you guys, if you guys haven't been hanging out with us, I hope you check it out. We've got 1 week left, a little bit less than 1 week left. So today's the 23rd. This will go on until the 28th. I hope you guys come check it out. I'll see you guys next time. For today, I'm out of here. I'm GT. I'll see you guys next time.
Let's discuss my payment.
That time is past. No 5,000 for you.
The price is 50.
How about your payment is you get to leave?
Not enough.
Now you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephews go to a certain motel, pay a visit to your daughter-in-law and your little granddaughter. What do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully.
I got my money. Or neither of us walk out of here.
You willing to die for this?
Maybe I need the 50,000 more than you do.
Y'all go check out the J Jordan. Roll over there kicking it, doing his thing. Other than that, I'm gonna stop this Rumble video. Then we're gonna go into the green room real quick, show y'all what we got going on over there. Boop, 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 boop. Anyways, there's a couple of these that have gotten started. Shouts out to them Bear Miller Genetics. We got the Auto Army on the way. Something started, so we'll get something going, right? Looks to be 2 over there, so you see what I'm saying? And I gotta water these. Definitely got to water these. But then we got these going. Shouts out to the Blue Banner OGs. That's what those are. That's also what was in flower. Got to make sure that's looking good tonight when the light comes back on. But you know how we doing. We got our dragon fruits that we started from seeds. And then of course we got some strawberries over here. It's got a no-till filler for these money tree pieces that came out. But hell, the money tree still look good, so shouts out to